Open the glove box.
Remove the damper cord from the glove box.
Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Lower the glove box. Remove the 6 screws securing the back panel to the glove box. Using a T15 Torx driver, remove the screws. Remove the panel to have access to the air filter housing.
Guide the damper cord through this hole to free it from the panel. To remove the housing door, pull on the 2 tabs at the top and then lift upwards to free the bottom hinges.
Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1225 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch first, then press to lock the top.
Before reinstalling the panel, thread the damper cord back through this hole.
Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the screws. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops.
Reinstall the damper cord.
Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.